everyone, it's me, Claire, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So, today we are going to be seeing what's in my mini fridge. I just moved it over here so I can make this video, and everything's now mixed up. So yeah. Before we get started with this video, please subscribe. I burped, I'm sorry. Oh gosh. Okay, so please subscribe, hit the notification button, and give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, that's really all. And I'm sorry about the lighting. I'm actually gonna go turn on that light. That's a little better. Okay, so yeah, I'm sorry about the lighting. It's a little bad, and there's like a glare right there. If you can see that, I don't know. There's a glare on my screen, but yeah. So this is dusty. So yeah, here is my mini fridge. Here's my desk. That's me. So yeah, this is my desk, and this is my desk, and this is my mini fridge. Get a closer look at it. It's beautiful. It's got a little window for my things to look out at me. So yeah, here are the things that I have in it. This is everything that's in it. You can already get a little glimpse. Okay, yeah. So the first thing I have is this 9021 Glow Peel Off Glitter Face Mask, and it's from Petite and Pretty. If you're back at my channel and you've seen me talk about things from Petite and Pretty before, it's like my go-to thing. I'm sorry, like right there is like, and those are my shoes. I'm sorry. I apologize in advance for anything you see in this video because I'm not a clean person. So yeah, anywho, this is my peel off face mask. This is my under eye cream. Just gonna put a little bit under your eyeballs. So yeah. Okay, anywho, this is a serum that I use under my eyes as well. Let that soak in. Got my eyeball. So yeah, this is what it is. Get a good look at the packet. Sorry, I'm showing it the wrong way. There you go. This is my face roller. Mix in all that stuff that's on my eyes. I'm using every single one of my products, but who cares? It is so gold. I love it. This is my oil absorbing facial cream. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure where I got it. I've completely forgot. I swear I'm not trying to gatekeep. Like, here's the packaging if you want to look it up. My hands. So yeah, that's everything on the first compartment, but there's another compartment. But don't worry, it won't take long. This is my toner. I put it into a different bottle, and I have no idea why. I just found this bottle, and I was like, what if I put my toner in there? That's the only thing that's going to fit in there. I need to rebuy my toner because it used to be a bottle this big, and now it's a bottle that's half this. So yeah, I'm going to rebuy this toner. So I don't remember what it was called. I swear I'm not trying to gatekeep. But I don't even remember. It smells like watermelon, so if we go off that, I guess. I'm so sorry. Then this is Hero Shield Super Light Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Daily UV Defense. Here's the packaging. You might see it at Target in the travel section. Yeah, I love this. This is my CeraVe moisturizer. I actually don't like this one in particular. It's like a weird consistency, and it kind of just makes my face feel weird when I'm using it. I do really like it because it makes your skin really soft, but if you don't like weird textures like that, then I would stay away from this. I'm sorry about the lighting. The lighting is atrocious, and I'm so mad. I put up my LED lights, and there's that much that didn't get completely fill around my room. This is my Draw It All Out Skin Detoxing Peel Off Mask. Here is the packaging if you want to look it up. Here are all my serums. This one is the multivitamin serum, vitamin B, C, E, and I have no idea how to pronounce that. Here's the packaging if you want to look it up as well. I probably don't, because you probably don't want my skincare. You might go like Addison Rae's page, get her skincare. This is the Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. Flawless, Younger, and Perfect. Here's the packaging. This one goes along with this one. This is Night and Day. Hyaluronic acid, 1% vitamin C serum, hydration, radiant, and antioxidant. Why can't I read today? I have no idea. Here is the packaging. You know the drill. And this is the last thing I have. It is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. All-in-one, removes makeup and cleanses and soothes. No rinse, no harsh rubbing, face, lips, and eyes. All skin types, even sensitive. Okay, bye guys.